My name is Ed Robinson. I'm a team leader here at Novo Metal Finishing Equipment, and I've been doing plating equipment approximately 33 years. A standard production barrel would normally use a dangler setup. A cone strip, basically, there's stainless steel plates that have cones, and those are attached to each end of the barrel. And then there's also stainless steel strips that are attached to each individual panel of the barrel, and then they're all connected. And then there would be a cathode arm that basically electrifies everything within the barrel. So there would be 5 panels that would be electrified, and the ends of the barrels will be electrified compared to just a simple dangler.
My name is Andre Kaczynskis. I have actually been in the metal finishing industry since 1977. What happens is the rotation of the barrel with these strips and the cone allow for a smooth rotation without danglers mixing into the solution to harm the parts. The other advantage is people who have danglers but very aggressive parts, say screws with sharp edges or things like that. Either one, a very delicate load or very aggressive load will perform better in a cone strip barrel versus a standard dangler style.
The advantages would be if you're doing small, delicate parts where the danglers were possibly damaging the parts, or it can actually even be the opposite. If you're running an aggressive type load that are damaging the danglers, where they need to be changed frequently, then it's a possible solution to your plating needs. We're currently working on an 8-inch one, so anything above an 8-inch barrel would be doable.
Novo Metal Finishing. Precision you can trust.